Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this short addendum, we will be discussing the enhanced switch statement which I discovered yesterday while I was building a framework, and I thought I would share it with everyone because I enjoy learning and discovering various aspects about Java, and I enjoy sharing that as well, because in Islam sharing knowledge is mandatory, and the charity of knowledge is to share it or to donate it. So since this will be a short addendum, let us finish quickly. So I will show you, so this was for the methods lecture. So you know what, I'll just leave it and I will continue from there. Okay, so let us say we have a car or a char character that is A, and we will compare this to a switch statement. So we will say switch choice, then we will open and close this, and then we will not include too many cases. Let us include 3 cases in addition to the default. So we will say case A, break, then utilizing the Zahi way, B and C. Yes, sorry, B and then C. And then we will say first letter, and then I will paste this here, paste this here. So we will say second letter, third letter. Now here is what I discovered yesterday, thankfully. Incorrect letter. Here is the syntax or the structure of an enhanced switch statement. So as you can see, you place the case followed by the lambda operator and then your line of code without the break statement. So as you can see here, if we run it, this should print out first letter. Perfect. And if this was Z, for example, then this should print the default statement without any need for the break statement. Okay. What if you have multiple lines of code as opposed to only one line? Can you include that in the enhanced switch statement? You definitely can. I will show you how. So what you can, let us include this. This will always print, mainly because A is hard-coded into the variable here. So let us switch this to an enhanced switch statement. As you can see, if you have multiple lines for one case, instead of writing a single line as such to the right of the lambda operator, which is hyphen and greater than symbol to create an arrow, you simply open and close curly braces and surround your logic in between those 2 curly braces. And let us see what we have here. There you go. And that is about it for the enhanced switch statement. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.